Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you ready for this fight?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, this is going to be one of the greatest fights of your career, yeah?
Yeah, it's one of it's going to be some easy fight for me.
Oh, so you reckon it's an easy fight? Yeah. Stuart Hall reckons that it's not going to be an easy fight for you.
Yeah, for me, it's nothing will be different. Same fight as before I fight. Yeah.
And the atmosphere, you're talking about a big win, you're talking about everybody's here, you're talking about your family's here, your friends are here, you're talking about how you feeling about that?
No, I'm very happy that all my families are here. And my brother Peter is here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So what do you think about your brother?
We always come here for the title. We're gonna take the title. Like me last time I came here, I took the title. Like my uncle Sugar Boy came here, took the title. Even Vusi is coming here to take the title.
Okay, guys, I wish you all the best. Okay, from Box Nation and from Rick Manners himself.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.